guys, it's me Faith and welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be baking. I've always wanted to make slutty brownies, but I'm gonna call them spooky brownies because I'm so original. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna be baking some spooky brownies for the spooky season. Let me whip out my phone and see the instructions. I kind of cheated my way into this because on the recipe, everything was made from scratch. So you need a brownie layer. We got that, you know, it's in a box because I don't have time to make it from scratch. And then we have Oreos, and then we have cookie dough. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the brownie mix. It's the supreme walnut because who doesn't like nuts? Duh. See, like they already made your brownies for you. Why do you need to do it from scratch? That's stupid. That smells like chocolate powder. Well, it is brownie. You need 1 egg. I have this one. Huevo. I prefer it to be brown. We stan a brown egg. So you're just gonna... And then you also need 1/3 of vegetable oil. I'm too lazy to get measuring cups right now, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, I think that's good. And then you need 1/4 cup of water. Okay, I think that's good, right? And then you need a whisk. It looks kind of gross. I haven't baked in so long. Like I don't remember the last time I baked anything. Someone put me on Food Network, please. Like Cake Boss who? It should look something like this. After you have mixed your brownie mix, oh, we have to preheat our oven. I forgot about that. The cookie dough first, the Oreos, and then the brownies. So I have my little pan right here. Just gonna spray this. And then we're gonna take some of our chocolate chip cookie dough. Imagine making a big ass cookie down. Line the bottom of a 9 times 9. That's 81. The first step of making spooky brownies is you gotta layer the cookie dough. First, you're gonna taste your cookie dough and see if it's good. I rate that at 8 out of 10. After your cookie dough is tasting delicious as ever, you just wanna slap it on to your pan. Can't you get like salmonella or whatever it's called? Is this how it's supposed to look like? Oh yeah, I washed my hands. Don't be like,
girls, she don't wash her hands.
You know what? I already washed my hands, so you can
suck on my toes.
Ew, I've never said that. I think that's how it's supposed to look like. I was originally gonna get the Halloween Oreos, the orange cream, but they didn't have it at Walmart or Vons. So I was like,
excuse me, how do you not have orange Halloween Oreo cookies in Halloween season?
The disrespect. I felt it. So we got peanut butter ones because they look the most festive out of all the array of Oreo cookies. I think we just put 1 layer of these. That's how it's supposed to look like. And now we're supposed to, do we just put the brownie? Ooh. After you put all the 3 layers, you have to pop it in the oven. So the oven's already preheated. Yes. You can use a mitten and then just say, see you later. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending how well it's baking. I'm wearing a onesie right now. It looks like I'm a cow, but I'm not. They're actually cats. I'm not a cow.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say meow.
As we're waiting, I'm just gonna eat. I got some In-N-Out, and this is a coffee, an iced coffee. My coffee is getting bitter and bitter every day. Darker and more brown and bitter every day. Just how I like my men. Just kidding. I'm excited for Halloween. I'm usually never excited for Halloween because I'm a Christmas hoe and I don't care about any other holidays. But I don't know why this year I'm excited for Halloween, even though probably not going to be invited to any Halloween party because I don't have friends and nobody invites me, nobody likes me. So, this is so good. Also, I'm having cramps and I feel like I have the devil in my womb and it's stabbing me and killing me. So that's great. We're just gonna wait and see if the spooky brownies are what the hype is about. We're back and I think our spooky brownies are done. So I'm just gonna turn off the oven. I'm gonna We'll taste test it when it cools down. So I'm back and our spooky brownies are cooled down. Yeah, now we just have to cut. I have my dandy knife right here. This is my favorite knife. Actually, yes, I have a favorite knife. Is that weird? But we're gonna use her just like when people use me. I'm just gonna cut a little piece. Cut that like really wrong, but oh my god. I almost dropped the knife. I could have stabbed my toes. It looks like that. I think the brownie part is still kind of uncooked. Whoa. A little bit runny. I don't know. It's pretty good though. I'd probably give that like a 7.5 out of 10. So that's basically it. We made some spooky brownies. I didn't burn down the house, which is always an A+. But yeah, if you like this video or if you want me to do more baking videos, because I'm cooking mama, Cake Boss Who, put me on TLC or Food Network. Let's go. You should like this video and subscribe. I'll try to make more Halloween, fall related videos. I hope you guys like this video, but make sure to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!